Hello world, this is your friend and host, DevilEmox back with another video. In this video I will show you how you can be anonymous on internet. By using this method you can secure your privacy as well. This video is for everyone who are concerned about their privacy and security. So let's begin. As always, download links will be in the description box. To be anonymous we will use an security and privacy-driven operating system known as Kodachi. This is the best alternative of Tails OS, matter of fact it is even better than Tails OS. Why you might ask, we will get on that later on this video. First we will download the ISO image file of Kodachi. I have already downloaded the image so I will not be downloading it over again. After that we have to make an bootable USB drive, so that we can use that drive to use the operating system. If you don't know how to do that, click on the I button on the top right corner or I will link the video in the description box below. After that just boot from USB drive and begin. You can use it in the live mode as I am doing in this video, or you can install it directly from this selection menu as well as from the option present inside the operating system itself. Now it's up to you how you want to use it. Once you are in, explore the stuff. Now, I will show you how to install it on your system. It is quite simple and we can install it as we install any other operating system. First select your language. Then select the keyboard layout. Then select the network. If you don't have any you can skip this. After then you have to select if you want to install drivers and additional stuff or not. After that you have to select how you want to install this operating system. You will get many options such as you can install it alongside with other operating system or you can delete everything and install it as your primary operating system. Here I will using erase disk and install because I have an blank SSD. Take your time and think wisely. If you are doing as I am, then you have to select the disk in which you want to install the operating system and click on continue and the installation will begin. This will take some time, so be patient. After this you have to reboot the system. Remove the USB drive from your system. You will be greeted with this screen. Select Ubuntu. After the first boot, your device will open up terminal automatically and will tell you, this system will shut down automatically in 10 seconds. Let it be. After that turn on new system. And you will be greeted with this screen. Select Kodachi and you are ready to rock. Now connect internet to the system and Kodachi will automatically connect you with its VPN server. Isn't it awesome? Launch Kodachi dashboard for more details and tools. Sorry I can't show you mine, because my screen recorder tool crashed and that footage didn't get recorded. But if you get any kind of trouble, please let me know. I will love to help you out. Comment it down or contact me on Telegram or Discord. Link is in the description box. Okay, back to the Kodachi. Remember default password for this is r@t00. But you can also use Kodachi as password. Worked for me. You will get a lot of tools in this operating system such as Tor, DNS script and VPN with pre-installed scripts. You can configure them, obviously. So let's discuss why this is better than Tails OS. First of all, it has lots of tools. You can use it as your daily driver. If you want to. It can do everything Tails can do. Also Tails OS do only basic features such as onion circuits and onion share, random MAC generator, RAM wiping, built-in secure web browser. But Kodachi have these features as well as additional features too such as built-in VPNs from different providers plus your own if you wish, I2P, Nyanet, MyMonero, Electrum BTC Wallet, Stater Linux Tuner and many more. It has offers pre-installed media players, also encrypted file systems. Obviously every individual have their own choices. So this is an only introductory video. This is it for today guys. If you loved this video please let me know. Like this video and also share this video if you are concerned about your and your loved one's privacy and online security. I'm DevilEmox, signing out, peace out.